Evaluate 81 whole number raised to the power of 3 over 4. That's 81 whole number raised to the power of 3 over 4. Now take note, 81 is the base here and 3 over 4 is your power. Now check that fraction. That is our power in this equation. 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator, so you have to be careful. Now the numerator is 3 and not 1, and the denominator is 4, so you need to be very careful. Now remember, when we discussed about the fractional index law, I told you that any number that appears as a numerator will be the power of the base eventually, while the denominator is going to form the roots of the base eventually. So in this case now you're having 81 whole number raised to the power of 3 all over 4. So 3 is going to form the power of 81, while 4 is going to form the root of 81. Now remember that that's the fourth root of 81. So to break 81 whole number 3 over 4 down, we're going to equate that to the fourth root of 81 raised to the power of 3. I repeat, the fourth root of 81 raised to the power of 3. Okay, now remember, the fourth root of a number means that you're expected to look for a number you multiply 4 times to get 81. Now the number you're going to multiply 4 times to get 81, if you remember your powers very well that you taught in the series that we are actually treating, you will remember that if you multiply the number 3 4 times, you're going to get 81. 3 times 3 is going to give you 9. If you multiply that by another 3, you're going to get 27, and if you multiply 27 by 3, you're going to get 81. So 3 raised to the power of 4, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, is going to give you 81. Okay, so the fourth root of 81 is 3. Now if you now raise 3 to the power of 3, it means you're going to multiply 3 times. That's going to be 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 3 times 3 is going to give you 27. That's 3 times 3, which is 9, and then times 3, which is now going to give you 27. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, the first 3 multiplied by the second 3 is going to give you 9, and if you multiply that 9 by 3, you're going to get 27. So your final answer to this question is 27. So you can see, by applying the laws of indices, you can break down any equation on indices.